You look good.
Alright. In this video, just clickbait, we're gonna take the radiator out.
Get the wire! Get the wire out of there!
Oh! It's not very green.
What's that?
That is oil in there.
Yeah, that sounds fun. Your tool, it's in the... Dude, don't do that. My dad's gonna kill me. Don't do that.
So, I think we start with these, just the top ones, and then I'm gonna go down underneath to see what's on the bottom ones, and it should just...
Come out. Simple.
That's what I've been saying my whole life. Start with these top ones. That's untightened.
Yeah. Yeah. We were just testing them, make sure they knew it was tightened.
Too easy. I mean...
So, how's your day? Oh, yeah. Come on, dude.
Oh, yeah.
Get that blood flowing. Let's go. Oh, whoa.
It's too strong.
Yeah. You need some grip tape, dog. Are you Amish? Are you like tearing butter right now?
Come on down.
Throw that behind you. You don't need that.
I think I might need that.
Nah, man. You got it. I think those glasses give you like 15
Horsepower?
times more strength.
I think so.
And butter turning ability. Remember, if your bolts aren't coming out, use the Amish strategy on them. They come right out.
Now,
Somebody's... never mind. Yeah, you don't need that. Hey, man. I'm gonna go over here. All around town, baby. Ooh. Oh. Dude, why are you so aggressive?
if you're not aggressive in it, you know what they say. You know what they say. They say, if you're not aggressive, you know what they say. If you're not aggressive enough, no. If aggressive no.
Yeah.
It's the more aggressive you are, the more calm the situation. Right?
Yeah. Yeah.
I grew up and my uncle said that. We're great.
Yeah, what happened to your uncle? I haven't seen him in like
He's in
15
prison.
years. Hold up. Can I inspect that real
Yeah.
quick? Alright, it's Matt.
Oh. So there's a
You
new
need to disconnect that Drake snake. You need to disconnect that.
You want to inspect the situation here, doctor?
Yeah. Oh, you want me to go under?
I mean, you don't have. So this is the fan shroud right here. So this one. Wait, no, I can't see. Oh yeah,
Well, I'll
Right
get
here.
a better look at it.
right schmear. So I'll take that one out and I'll take the fan shroud off. Oh,
Yeah,
how's it look up there, doctor?
yeah, we gotta take this off, then we gotta take this off, and then I'm sleeping here, I think.
Cool.
I'm
Alright.
gonna
I need. Do you know where all my sockets are?
go. In a toolbox?
Yes, the black one.
The what?
The black one.
The straw.
Topped one, the very big one. And I need a 7/16 and a whatever the smaller one is. Below that. 7/16. So basically, let's give you a little rundown. It's a 1983 square body. It's my first truck, and we're just gonna use it as a little test dummy on this thing. What are you doing? That looks way too big.
I can't find your 11/16.
I said 7.
I can't find my lead.
She's mint. We in? Alright. It's right here. Why am I missing both of my 3/8? Oh, it moved. That's in my eyes. Safety goggles. I know I can't see them.
I can't see. Just lay back.
I'm just staring at the fan.
The fan? That's our biggest fan. You got it. You can do it.
Thanks, Dad.
What?
What?
Oh, I thought you said something.
Drainer right here.
Yeah, I assumed it was drained, but it wasn't. Thanks to glasses for pointing that out to someone.
Now we're gonna drain the coolant. Oh! Alright, we'll do that in a second. Let me get this fan shroud off of here. Should take me about 2 seconds when I get the right size.
Yeah, it should have took us 2 seconds, bro.
Found it. Take this. It's 10 millimeter. What do you guess?
10 millimeters? That's a little bit of millimeter, dog.
Oh yeah, it works great when you get the right size.
Yeah, weird. It's like to make sizes for a reason. Who would have thought?
There.
Come on, girl.
Just gotta give her.
Yeah. There's just notches right there. Yeah.
Come on, girl. Oh! Didn't need that.
Yeah, no. Alright, let's just pull it out, because
No.
we don't need to drain it.
No.
What's this?
What's in there?
I think, the diesel goes in.
Really?
Yes. That's diesel.
Oh, cool. Alright. No, other way. This way, towards your face. Like right here. There you go. So I'm gonna take this off. I'm just gonna point it straight down in that bucket.
And I might get out of here.
Well, you might have to readjust the bucket.
I'm just gonna go right here.
So, this old redneck fashion way, I'm gonna set this camera up.
Alright.
You ready?
Start going with it?
Yes. Stand back a little bit.
Yeah, I'm just gonna
Make sure. Yeah.
I'm in a good spot.
Yeah.
Yeah. Watch your shoe, dude.
Alright, here we go.
Dude, I'm gonna move. I don't like this. Hurry up. Get it, Zach.
Oh.
Go. I'm not a doctor, but it's supposed to be like a
saying it's Sunday, it's Friday. Yeah.
I thought it was.
Yesterday. How about we just pick up the radiator, scoot it an inch that way, and it's easy.
That's a great. I'm putting it back. Zach came up with a great plan.
I think they heard it. I mean, you can explain it again if you want to.
Yeah.
It feels loose now. You want to try?
Film. Get the angle. Ready? I'm about to bust. Oh!
She's coming out. Look at her.
We kind of missed a lot of things.
Yeah, it's kind of all over.
It kind of hit the fender and did its own thing. Chevy, why would you put a drain plug on a fender? Kinda dumb. Chevy. What? Yep. My clutch needs adjusting.
Oh yeah?
So you know those Rangers, how the clutch is set up? It's the worst design.
Alright, we're gonna put the radiator here.
Get the wire! Get the wire out of there!
Oh! There you go. Oh, just set it down, let it drain for a little bit.
Ready?
No, not in the yard.
Wait, get the bucket out, dump it in.
Oh, that is not.
Oh, now it doesn't look like something did.
There you go.
Cheers! Might have a hole. I mean,
Oh. Oh. Oh, there you go. There you go. Alright, that's good. Leave it. There we go now. Oh yeah. Looks good. It's not very green. What's that? That is oil in there.
I told you.
Glasses.
You go, scientist.
What do you think of that?
Oh, a little bit.
A little bit?
Yep, she probably has a head gasket or something starting to go.
Oh, that's
You
probably
shouldn't
got.
pull a Kingston driver like
It didn't come out of like something off the engine, right?
No, we took the radiator out and then poured it in the bucket.
And that's what came out.
Well, we drained the tube that came from the motor.
Oh, there might have been a little bit of oil left in the bucket, right? Or was the bucket clean?
Bucket was clean.
It was
Clean.
Yeah, the motor needs to come out.
Good.
Engine swap.
Engine swap.
We already got. That's why we're taking it out. We'll put the other one
We
in.
put a 2JZ in it.
Yeah. We said
Just
6.7. That's
two-
6.7 Cummins over there.
2 pictures of JZ's head.
Yeah.
2JZ.
What do you think?
It's good, man.
Yeah.
So these mount, save all these rubber pieces.
Okay.
Yeah, it looks good.
Yeah. She's
Just,
radiatorless.
take both ends take the other end of that hose off and throw all the hoses in the back.
Okay.
We'll want to take the fan off.
Okay.
Okay. And the fan is the 4 bolts that are hooked to the pulley.
Mhm.
Not the 4 bolts that are hooked to the clutch, the pulley. And then we'll want to take the distributor out of it, take the coil off of it, and then we'll unhook the down tubes off of the manifolds.
The bum tubes.
Yeah, and then we'll try to get rid of most of the junk on top of the engine. Then
The whirling.
or lifting eyes.
Mm-hmm.
And we'll unbolt the transmission and down she comes.
Sweet.